1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, alhamdulillah. My name is Tsurayya Indana Video Putri. You can call me Miss Aya. And now I'm going to be your mathematics teacher. But before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Today we are going to learn about integers. What is integers? Integers is one of a kind from the numbers. So there are a lot of numbers beside the integers. But today we are only learn about the integers. At the end of this class, you guys will be able to identify integers, classify positive and negative number, and solve simple integers operation. Okay guys, do you know what it is? This is a thermometer that we use to measure the temperature. As you can see here, the thermometer is containing numbers in order, but a few numbers has a mini tiny strip sign that we call negative sign or minus sign. This number we call it 10, but the number 10 with the minus sign is we call negative 10 or minus 10. So what is the difference between 10 and negative 10 or minus 10? The thermometer, the number in thermometer are in integers. So in integers, there are 3 different types of integers. The first type is right in the middle. We all know that is a number called 0. And the second type is above the 0, is start from 1. We call it positive number. You can write it down with the number with the positive sign like this, or just write the number usual without the sign. And the third condition is below the 0, starting from 1, but with the negative sign. We call it negative numbers. To make it easier, I'm going to use something called number line. Number line is a straight line used to represent number in order. As you can see here, we already talked about integers. I have numbers in order here, starting from negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2, and positive 3. Or you can say it like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3. Or for the positive number, you can just say the number like 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see here, the 0 is always in the middle between the negative and the positive number. From 0, if you go to the right, you go to the positive side numbers. If from the 0 you go to the left side, you go into the negative side numbers. The number line has 2 different conditions. The first condition is if we have this number line, if you going to the right side, if you're going to the right, the number will be positive. But if you go to the left side, the number will be negative. Now I'm going to show you how to use the number line. In this, I already have a number line starting from negative 10 to negative 1, 0, and 1 to 10. First, I'm going to stand at the number 0 as a starting point. And now, what if I want to take 3 steps to the right? Starting from the 0, I take the 3 steps to the right is 1, 2, 3. And now I'm stopping I just can write it down as 3. Or because I'm starting from 0, 0, and going to the right is positive, and 3 step. And now I will continue the step. I want to go with another 2 step to the left, 2 step to the right. The starting point is on positive 3, and I'm going to take another 2 steps to the right, 1, 2, and the stopping point now is on the 5, positive 5, because I'm still going to the right side. This is still positive, and 2 more steps, so I'm just going to write it 2. Okay, now what if I want to take another step, but now I'm going to the left? I want to take another 7 steps to the left. 7 steps to the left, starting from positive 5. Right here, so I'm standing right here at 5, right? I'm going to have 7 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now the stopping point is on the negative 2 here. Okay, how we can write it? Because as you can see there on the condition, if we going to the left, the number is the sign on the number is negative. So I write the negative and 7 steps, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. And so we got 0 plus 3 plus 2 minus 7 equals, now the equals is the last number you stop, which is minus 2. So if we write it again, we can write it 0 plus 2 minus 7 equals negative 2 or minus 2. Okay. And now I'm going to explain about the second condition. Is the number on the right is always bigger than a number on the left. So if the number on the left is smaller than the number on the right. Okay, let's look at the example. If I have in this situation, to use this situation, we are going to use this 3 sign. This sign is called greater than, this sign is less than, and this sign is equals. Okay, if I have 3 and negative and 2 on the number line, we can see that 3 is here, right here, and 2 is here, which is 2. 3 is on the left, on the right side of 2, which means 3 is bigger than 2. Okay. And now what if I have 1 and negative 1, negative 1 and 1. Negative 1 is on here, but 1 is on here. Negative 1 is on the left side of 1, which means negative 1 is smaller than 1. So we use the sign less than. And negative 1 is less, so the negative 1 is less than 1. And the next is, what if I have 5 and 5? This is the same which means 10 is bigger than or greater than 1. We use this sign. Okay, let's check it out. And now we're going to the negative question. We have negative 2 here, negative 2, and we have negative 5. Let's see, negative 2 is on the right side of negative 5. Right side of the negative 5, which means negative 2 is greater than negative 5. And for negative 10, we have negative 10 here and negative 1 here. Negative 10 is on the left side from the negative 1, which means negative 10 is less than negative 1. Okay, let's see the sign here. Okay, right. Okay, now I have a problem here. Let's solve it together. The temperature this morning was 2 degrees Celsius. At night, the temperature dropped 5 degrees. What was the temperature at night? So, from the problem there, we got the temperature in the morning was 2. So, the starting point is from here, right? 2. And at night, the temperature dropped 5 degrees. Drop is, in here we can say drop is minus, or we're going to the left. We take 5 steps to the left from 2, from the starting point, which is 2. We have to step to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the stopping point is on negative 3. So we can write them as 2 because we take a step to the left, we use the negative, and the step we take is 5. Okay, and now we got 2 minus 5 equals, the stopping point was negative 3. The stopping point was negative 3. So 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Okay. So the temperature at night was negative 3 degrees Celsius. Okay. The lesson is end here, but before we close the lesson, we have a conclusion. What are we learned today? First, the integers. We learned about the integers. That integers consists of positive number, negative numbers, and 0. And we learn about a number line, a straight line that contains numbers in order. A number line, on a number line, positive numbers are located to the right of 0. This is positive numbers, right? And the negative number are located to the left of 0. This is negative, right? This is positive. And this is no. And this is negative. Okay, and this is 0, right in the middle. And still on number line, a number on the right side of the number line is greater than a number on the left side. Also, a number on the left side is less than a number on the right side. If you go here, this is bigger than, greater than, right? Use this sign, and more to the left is less or smaller than, less than. We can use this sign. I'm sorry. We can use this sign. Okay. Is there any question? No. much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.